Hi guys, just thought I'd post this. I worked on the speedometer today out of my 55 Cadillac and hooked it up to the mill that I have because my drills in reverse wouldn't go fast enough. I just thought maybe I'd show you how she's working. Turn the mill on and speed it up. This is when she would start jumping around about 45, 50 miles an hour and peg to 100, then go back down again. Up to 60, 65. Where she's all the way up to 115, up to 110. Running nice and steady. Slow her back down. Running steady. Nice and smooth. Back down to 60. Still smooth around 40. I think she's good to go back in. What I did is I cleaned it, all the old grease, and then I re-lubed it up, put her back together, and here she goes. So hopefully the next couple days I'll be able to get her back into the car. Hopefully she's good to go. Talk to you guys later. Bye.